seventh question of the exercise 7.2, seventh question. They have given there is a circle and one diameter we have, that is AB is the diameter. So I will draw that AB diameter first. So I will draw that AB diameter, and AB diameter, when it will come, it must passes through what? A center. So center we will take as the O. That they have not mentioned what is the center is. So directly I will mention as O. And whose center is a 2, minus 3. The coordinate of the center they have mentioned, that is 2, minus 3. And also they have mentioned the coordinate of the B also. The coordinate of the B is 1, 4. Okay, and they have told us to find the coordinate of that A. Means that coordinate of that A is missing. So we don't know the coordinate of A, but it is outside of the circle, means at the point outside of the circle. And this coordinate I will take as x1 and y1. I can't take x and y. Why I can't take x and y? Because that x and y is already here. That is x and y. Okay, so I have to take that coordinate as what? X1 and y1. And this coordinate what we have, that is actually x2 and y2, but value already given, no need to find. Okay, now anyone will you say which formula or what we can apply for this AB as diameter and O as a center? Which formula will suitable for this to solve the coordinate of that A? We need the coordinate of A. Coordinate A we want to find. Anyone?
Section formula.
Section formula. Again, anything else? Section formula is very good. But anything else? Yes, section formula is correct, not the wrong answer. But here you see, O is the center and AB is the diameter. Obviously, you know one thing, that what is the ratio between A to O and O to B. Whether this A and O to B, anything is common. O is center. AB is diameter. So what is the relation between that A to O and O to B?
They are equal.
Yes, they are equal because they are radius. Radii of same circle. Radii of same circle. Understood? So they are equal. So the ratio between them will be M and M1 and M2 will not become anything different. It will remain as what? 1, 1. Means M1 is to M2 is nothing but 1 is to 1. So here everything we have understood. Therefore, O is the midpoint of that AB. So we can say that O is the midpoint of AB. So directly we can go for the midpoint of the section formula. So directly O x comma y, that is equals to direct formula x1 plus x2 divided by 2 comma y1 plus y2 divided by 2, because we can apply the midpoint formula for the section formula. So here the x1 refers to x1 itself. We don't know the value of x1, so write down x1 as it is. But the x2 value already they have mentioned. The x2 value is nothing but 1. So it is 1 divided by 2. And comma, the y1 also we don't know. So y1 value also we will write on y1. But the y2 value already they have mentioned. The y2 value is nothing but the 4. Divided by 2. And obviously we can't have the 2 to unknown thing. So on the left hand side, O, what we have, that is the center, that is the coordinate, what they have given, that is x and xy. The x and y coordinate already we know, that is 2 comma minus 3. This is the middle term, x and y, that is 2 comma minus 3. So we have reached one position, that the next what, that is the question, what is next, that we have a lots of problem here. So it is nothing but, remember, so I will take little bit down. So when it will come like this way part, you have to remember the first part is what we have, that is related to this first part. Okay, means what we will write at the first position, x value is nothing but this whole thing, and the y value what we have here, that is nothing but the second whole thing. So this minus 3 refers to this whole. And first one, the 2 is referring to the yx plus 1 divided by 2. So here directly we can consider that 2 is equals to x1 plus 1 divided by 2. And minus 3 is equals to y1 plus 4 divided by 2. So what is next? 2 you bring it to the left hand side, you bring this 2 onto the left hand side. 2 to the 4, that is equals to x1 plus 1. So x1 value will become 4, and the 1 if you shift on the side will become minus 1. So 4 minus 1 is 3, that is your x1 value. So I will take it a bit up. So here the x1 value is nothing but 3. So this is your first, that is coordinate of that a, that is first one, x1. Now we have to go for the y1. So let us go similar way. Minus 2, so 2 on that side, it will become minus 3 into 2, that is equals to y1 plus 4. So it is minus 6, that is equals to y1 plus 4. 4 you shift it to the other side, it will become minus 4, that is equals to y1. So minus 10 is equals to y1. So this is your y1 value. So hope anyone, if you have a doubt, you can ask, and this is our final answer. So coordinate of a, x1 and y1 is equals to, that is nothing but 3 comma minus 10. X is a 3 and the y value is minus 10, and this is our final answer. Okay, when the question is like this way, it is clear. There is a 2 points a and b. A and B are minus 2 and 2 minus 4 respectively. Find the coordinate of P such that AP is equals to 3 by 7 of AB, and P lies on the line segment AB. So that we can draw one line over here, that is a AB line, and on that AB line, and coordinate also already given minus 2 and minus 2, and this one they have given 2 and minus 4. That is the first half. So next half they have given that there is a point called P on this AB itself. So somewhere here it may be, I don't know, so I will put directly here P, and that P point coordinate we have to find, that is x comma y I will take, because that is a section formula we can apply. But what is missing actually here is they have not given the m1 and m2 directly. They have given the ratio AP is equals to 3 by 7 of AB. So I will write down that AP is equals to 3 by 7 of AB. So here what we have to actually have to do is this AB how to bring it to the other side. So it will divide obviously. So AP divided by AB, that is equals to, it will remain 3 by 7 itself. So all of you concentrate here. The AP value is 3. So AP value is 3 means 3 ratio, that is your M1. M2 value is nothing but BP. See, remember here, AP is nothing but M1, that value is already given as 3. But actually, we have to find BP value, that is our second, that is M2 value. But actually, they have given the BP for us. No, they have not given the BP for us, they have given AB for us. That is equal to 7. So what is the value of BP? So it is simple. AB value total they have given 7. In this AP value is 3. So what is that BP will be?
4.
Yes, obviously it will be 4, because 3 and 4 if you add together, it must be a 7. So obviously BP is nothing but that M2 value is nothing but, you can write down if you want the formula, AB minus AP. AB is 7 ratio and AP is 3 ratio. So obviously the BP or M2 value must be 4. So because I have already informed AB is 7, AB is 7 and AP is 3. So 3 plus 4 is 7. I hope you have understood this, how to find the ratio. Now it is nothing difficult you have. Everything in front of you only. You know the A1, X1, Y1 value and Y2 value. So it is easier for you to find. Directly how to go for the section formula. You no need for other. So don't talk in between, what will happen? There will be disturbance. This is X1 and Y1, and here it will be X2 and Y2. So go for this. P of X comma Y, that is equals to M1 into X2 plus m2 into x1 divided by m1 plus m2. Okay, so next one we have second part, m1 so y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. Now substitute that formula. M1 value is 3. So 3 into x2 value. So x2 value is here 2 into 2 plus m1 is m2 is 4. So if you want you can write down 3 and 4. So now we will go for x1, that is minus 2 whole divided by 3 plus 4, that is directly the high 7, directly you can write down 7 also, no problem. So m1 value again it is 3 into the y2 value is minus 4 plus m2 value is 4 and the y1 value is minus 2 whole divided by 3 plus 4. So 3 to the 6 minus 4 to the 8, 3 plus 4 is 7, minus 12 minus 8 divided by 7. So little bit down I will take. So obviously minus 2 by 7 and minus 20 by 7. So this is where the point p comma x comma y, that is minus 2 by 7 and minus 20 by 7. And all of you, one thing I will clarify you, when you are writing the answer, just to check that negative sign, okay, because your answer will be correct, but at the end what you are writing, if you will not write down this minus exactly, no, so there will be deduction of the marks. So concentrate on the negative signs and the positive signs also. So this is your answer